idea dinchu. So yes, welcome. In today's class, today we are going to learn about percentage. Percentage, percentage, percentage. Okay. Percentage. Actually, it is the percentage means out of 100 we take. Okay, percentage is taken out of 100. Suppose 90 out of 100. Okay, one example. This is equal to 90 percentage. So we come to know that percentage is taken with respect to or out of 100. If 80 out of 100, na, you secure marks, yes, in one exam, in any exam, it means this is equal to 80 percentage. It means 80 percentage. Similarly, if you secure 70 out of 100, it means this is 70 percentage. If so, what is the process? Process 70 out of 100. Yes, this is the full marks 100. Marks obtained is 70. And if we just multiply with 100, 100 and 100 cut, we get 70. So this is the percentage. Okay, 70 out of 100 is equal to 70 percentage. And this is the process to find out the percentage. So in the same way, we can write, suppose out of full marks 10, okay? If you get 7 out of 10, at that time also 7 out of 10 multiply by, if we multiply by 100, 0 got 17, that is 17. Yes, this is also the percentage. That is also 70 percentage. 7 out of 10 means also is also equal to or equivalent to the 70 percentage. Like this, we can convert a fraction or marks obtained by you can be converted into the percentage. Okay. Okay, and if a number is given in decimal, like suppose 0.5, 0.5 means half of 1. Half of 1. 1 means 100%. So it must be equal to 50%. And by process, I think you are clear, yes? 1 means 100%. 0.5 is equal to 50% half. Okay? And by process, if we multiply 0.5 by 100, then we will get 50. That you know, 2 zeros, decimal goes 2 place right. I think you know the multiplication of the decimal. Yes, how to multiply. Yes, by 10, 100, 1000, like that. So we can add 1 0 here and take this decimal in the right hand side by 2 places, because there are 2 zeros with 1, and decimal goes here. So 50 decimal will be at last, or we mean it right, and this is 50%. So we have to remember, okay, in case of fraction case and decimal case, in both cases, how to convert into percentage, that is multiply by 100, so that we get percentage. Okay, this is the process. Okay, yes, thank you. Percentage, you see everyone, we already discussed percentage is always taken out of 100, so that if we have got 50 percentage, or maybe like this 90 percentage, it means we can say it is 90 out of 100. Or we write like this, 90 out of 100. And if we cancel these zeros now, we can convert in the simplest form of the fraction. So how to convert the fraction, sorry, percentage into fraction? Just divide by 100. Similarly, in case of decimal, suppose how to convert into decimal, okay? 90% is there. It is equal to 90 out of 100. Okay, here is decimal at last we can just consider. And while dividing, I think the rule of dividing by 10, 100, 100, 1000 like that, yes, with zeros, 1 and zeros, yes. While dividing, decimal goes left, yes. While multiplying, decimal goes right side. While dividing, decimal goes left side, yes. And here are two zeros, so that two place left. Or you can directly divide and change, convert into decimal. I think yes. Uh, Otherwise, I'll show you. So decimal goes here, and it will be 0.90, or here, if here is no number, then we can write 0.90. Like this, we can convert percentage into decimal. Or maybe like this, if here is 9 by 10, 9 by 10, okay? Okay. No decimal means we can just consider at last 10, so it goes one place left, and so that 0.9, if no number, then we write 0. So like this we can convert, or maybe by directly dividing, okay? 10 divides 9, the division, not divisible, so that we write 0. Yes. Now we put decimal and add 10 here. 10 9s are 90. Like this we convert into decimal. I think you are clear now. Rather than dividing, okay, we can directly write also by using this idea. Decimal goes left. Yes. Thank you. So you have to remember that how to convert percentage into fraction, or percentage into decimal. For both the cases, you have to divide by 100. Divide by 100. That is the process, okay? How we convert percentage into fraction or decimal. And after converting into the fraction, you can just cut off, cancel, okay, like this, to convert into the lowest term, small numbers term, okay, lowest term, that we call lowest term, okay. So everybody, please remember the rule of multiply of decimal. M means multiply. While multiply, the decimal goes to right. MR, Mr. Multiply, right. When we divide, then decimal goes to left. Okay. So Mr. DL, please remember Mr. DL. Mr. DL, multiply goes right, divide case goes left. Everybody, please speak. Please speak the same thing. Okay.
Multiplies goes right.
Yes, we know that. We already know that 90% of 100 is equal to 90. That because out of 100, it is taken out of 100, so that 90% of 100 is 90. That But how? How to find out in other cases? Sometimes if it is given like 9 out of 10, then how to find out? Okay, for that, okay, 90% means 90 out of 100. 90% means 90 out of 100. Of means multiply, and 100 is there. If we cut off, then it is equal to 90. The same answer we got. So this is the process now. Similarly, if we have to find out 9 out of 10, okay, 9% of 10. That is equal to 9% means 9 out of 100. 9% means 9 out of 100. And of means multiply. Please say 9% means 9 out of 100. Of means multiply 10.
9%.
So wait. And 0 and 0 cut off. Sorry. 100 it is 10. Okay. Yes. And 9% of 10. That is equal to 0 and cut off 9 out of 10. See, this is 9 out of 10, yes. But yes, this is 9 out of 10 only, and we can convert into decimal also. Okay, or if we find out 90 percentage of 10, then what happens? 90 out of 100.
90 upon.
Okay, of means multiply 10. 0 is cut, this 0 cut, so that it is equal to 9 only. So what is the 90% of 10? That is 9.
9.
कति हुन्छ अरे भन्नुहोस् त, अहिले बोल्नुहोस् त।
9.
हो ल ल हेर्नुहोस् त। अब त्यसो भए तपाईहरुले now I will ask you one question. अब एकैछिन है, लास्टमा बोल्नु होला। 90% of 40 our test nowadays, okay, midterm will come there, and even in the previous exam also the full mark was 30, and if you have to secure 90 percentage out of that full marks 40, then so how much you have to secure, that we will see. 90% means 90 out of 100. 90 out of 100. So 90% out of 30. In the full marks 30, if you have to target to secure 90 percentage, okay? So what will be the 90 percentage of 30, okay? 90% means 90 out of 100. Off means multiply 30. 0, 0 cut, 0, 0 cut, this 9 and this 3 multiply, we get 27. It means you have to secure 27 out of 30, so that it will be, okay, 27 out of 30, then it will be 90 percentage. Like this percentage is calculated. Okay, now I think you are able to find out how much percentage you have secured yourself, and if percentage is given, then you will be able to find out how much I secured, how much I have to secure to get 90 percentage in the coming exam. Yes, and it is very much useful to calculate like such comparatively, comparative study, percentage and fraction, full marks, pass marks. Not only that, it is very much useful, widely useful in other aspects also. Now one question to you here, okay. Oh yes, one question we will see, find the value of, okay, find the value, no, what percent of 100 is 50, or let's see what percentage of 40 is 27. Just let's connect with that just previous question. What percentage of 30 is 27? You know already, that is 90 percentage. And but how to find by process, okay, so that we can find out, we can solve such type of questions for any numbers given, okay. So what percent, suppose let what percent, x percent of 40 is 27. Like this we can connect the given word problem, and we can make the equation like this. X percent means out of 100, off means multiply, 30 is means equal to, like that we can write, so that, okay, you know, multiply case while taking that another side, it goes to divide case number while taking another side goes to multiply, like this, okay. And we can cancel out 9 into 10, that is 90 percentage, okay, 90 percentage, okay, and our question is what percent of 30 is 27? That is 90 percentage. I think you understand. You can write, it's better to write the conclusion. Therefore, 90% of 30 is 27, or required percentage is 90, like that you can write. Okay, say please have a action. Now we see one more question. Yes, in the just previous, like previous question. Okay. Suppose if we have to find out 4 quintal, what percentage of 4 quintal is 72 kg, like that question. Okay, 4 quintal, 1 quintal is 100 kg. Okay, so it is equal to 400 kg is 72 kg, like that. Okay, and similarly, okay, in case of like what percentage of 90, what percent of 90 is 20, sorry, what percentage of 30 is 27, that question, no? For that question we can, you can do like this also. 27 out of 30, na? Actually this means 27 out of 30. We are talking about just previous question. Okay, we can do